Ever wondered what truly makes the women in your life tick? Your mom? Your sister? Your partner? Your friends? It's a question that has puzzled people for centuries, but today, we're diving deep into some fascinating insights about women that might just change the way you see things. This isn't about stereotypes, it's about understanding the beautiful complexity that makes up half our world's population. First up, let's talk about communication. It's often said that women are more verbal, and there's some truth to that, on average. Women tend to use more words per day, but it's not just about quantity, it's about connection. For many women, talking is a primary way to build intimacy and rapport. It's how they process thoughts, share emotions, and strengthen bonds. So, when a woman in your life wants to talk, she's often inviting you into her world. It's less about solving a problem right away and more about sharing the experience. Active listening, empathy, and just being present can mean more than any quick fix you can offer. Next, let's explore the world of emotions. Research suggests that women, on average, are more adept at reading nonverbal cues and have a higher degree of empathy. They are often the social glue in families and communities, sensing when someone is upset or needs support. This emotional attunement is a superpower, but it can also be draining. Imagine constantly picking up on the feelings of everyone around you. It's a lot to carry. So, acknowledging her emotional labor and offering support in return is a powerful way to show you care, simply asking, "How are you really doing?" and being ready to listen can make a huge difference. Now, let's touch on ambition and goals. Forget the outdated idea that women are less ambitious. Women's ambitions are just as strong, but they might define success differently. For many, success isn't just about climbing the corporate ladder. It's a holistic concept that includes personal growth, meaningful relationships, community impact, and well-being. They often excel at multitasking and balancing various aspects of life, not because they have to, but because they value a rich, multifaceted existence. Supporting a woman's ambition means understanding and respecting her unique definition of success, and cheering her on as she pursues her passions. Whatever they may be, let's also discuss the incredible power of female friendships. The bonds between women are often profoundly deep and supportive. These friendships are a vital source of strength, validation, and joy. It's a space where they can be completely themselves, sharing triumphs and vulnerabilities without judgment. This sisterhood is a crucial part of many women's lives, providing a support system that helps them navigate life's challenges. Understanding the importance of these friendships and encouraging them is another way to support the women you care about. Finally, resilience. Throughout history and in their daily lives, women have shown incredible strength and resilience. They navigate societal pressures, balance multiple roles, and often overcome significant obstacles with grace and tenacity. This isn't to say they are unbreakable, but their capacity to adapt, endure, and thrive is truly remarkable. Recognizing and celebrating this strength is essential. It's not about putting them on a pedestal, but about acknowledging their power and perseverance. Ultimately, understanding women isn't about finding a secret manual or a simple formula. It's about recognizing their individuality, appreciating their strengths, and approaching every interaction with curiosity, empathy, and respect. It's about seeing each woman not as a representative of her gender, but as a unique person with her own dreams, feelings, and experiences. The more we seek to understand, the richer all of our relationships will be. Thanks for watching today. If you found this insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content that helps us connect better with one another. See you in the next video.